Nocodb versus Baserow versus Airtable versus Supabase. Best no-code database. I'm going to tell you about Nocodb, Baserow, Airtable, and Supabase, and which one stands out in the no-code database space. Nocodb turns any SQL database into a smart spreadsheet. Open source, flexible, and great if you already use MySQL or Postgres. Baserow is open source too, but built from scratch. Clean UI, strong plugin system, and designed for teams who want Airtable-like features without the lock-in. Airtable is the polished giant, fast, user-friendly, with deep integrations. But it's closed source and gets pricey at scale. Supabase isn't no code by default, but it's dev friendly and gives you a full back end, auth, real time, and Postgres, with low code potential through extensions and dashboards. So which is best? Nocodb if you're SQL native, Baserow for open source Airtable vibes, Airtable for ease and integrations, Supabase if you want to grow into full stack, start no code, scale how you want.